This is Scott Morris with Classic Air Care, running a camera at 213 Canary Lane, St. Charles, Missouri 63301. I'm going to be going through the pulled toilet in the basement bathroom by the back door and running it out towards the city sewer. So I'm getting the cable through the toilet sweep, and I have the bathroom sink running, so that's where the water's coming from. Trying to push along a lot of the roots that I pulled out. Running the camera outbound. I'm inside the cast iron pipe. Still going outbound. Still going outbound, and now it looks like I'm into clay. There's the transition from the cast iron to the clay. So I'm outside of the house in the front yard, and it looks like at about 22, almost 23 feet, we got roots right there. Still going outbound. Here we got at about 26.5 feet, we got more roots. Still running outbound. So far everything else up. We got more roots at approximately 34.5 feet. Running out. Tiny bit of roots at 38 feet. Still going outbound. Looks like we got a good chunk of roots at 42 feet. And it looks like the roots are even carrying along the walls. More root, looks like thick roots right there at 45, almost 46 feet. Running outbound at 50 feet, more roots. Still going out. Hit roots at 54.5 feet. Going out still. More roots at 58 feet. And it looks like the pipe makes a turn. And at 59 feet we had roots. Still running out. At 62 or 63 feet we got roots. Same with at 63.5 or 64 feet, more roots. Still running out. Roots at 67.5 feet. And more roots at 72 feet. Still going out. Roots at 75 feet. Looks like they're trying to peek in at approximately 79.5 feet. Still running outbound. Looks like they're trying to peek in at about 95.5 feet, and we tap into the city sewer at approximately 96 feet. Bring the camera back, get you a different view of the pipes. Looked like I was a crack in the pipe, but it looks almost looked like a tree root stuck to the side. Had to double check it. I'm inside the foundation and I'm bringing the camera back. So this is all the cast iron. Cast iron seems to be all intact, free of default or defects so far. And more tree roots, so they'll clear out as soon as the toilet's reset and flushed. And I'm coming out of the clean out, kind of a picture of the bathroom. Kind of goes to the back door, and that's where the toilet sat.